We are pleased to show you the 2019 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.